With a mission to ensure healthy living and quality of life, General Pharmaceuticals Ltd started its journey in 1984. In 1987, the company started manufacturing for the people of Bangladesh. After the establishment, it has maintained continuous progression. Currently, it has 2 manufacturing units, a head office, and 26 depots. To ensure the optimum quality of the product, as per the World Health Organization guidelines, General Pharmaceuticals Ltd has established 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing units with the consultancy of APC Australia. This manufacturing unit consists of completely dedicated production area, completely separated man and material entry and exit, separate machines and instruments for different products of different therapeutic classes, and separate air and water handling system that ensures the production of global standard medicine. The state-of-the-art facility is in compliance with UK MHRA, EU-GMP, TGA Australia, ICH, PICS. This year, General Pharmaceuticals Ltd is celebrating 30. General Pharmaceuticals Ltd, currently one of the leading pharmaceuticals companies in Bangladesh, started exporting products in 2006 and is currently exporting to 26 countries overseas. The Global Marketing Department, with its efficient activities, has been able to set its global footprint. That boosts world-class products, excellent production facilities, and quality professionals.